My name is Pouya. I'm a 48-year-old Iranian engineer. Since 2019, I'm working and I'm living in Changsha, and I'm working in this company, Wasion Group, as a product manager and director of product management department. In the last 25 years, 30 years, I've been in many countries, like European countries, African countries, Asian countries, and even in China I've been in several cities like Hangzhou, Shanghai, Beijing, Shenzhen, Changsha, definitely. And I can say that Changsha is a bit different. The people here are very hospitable, and you can feel a very warm environment here. These metal meters are best selling in Latin America and in Asia, Africa, and North America. They are all smart meters, so they can have telecommunication modules. Wasion Group and Wasion Holdings is a very big group, and actually there are several factories in this park. But actually all of these production lines here are connected together with a central software. Smart software which is controlling all productions. In similar companies all around the world, part of the production is manual, but here we make everything robotic. By reaching this kind of automation, we can bring down the production costs, and we can increase the quality and compete with our international competitors much easier. They are making their city, they are making their future. When I'm comparing Changsha with years ago, I can see the development, I can see the development of the industry. Like many other cities in China, the development is so fast, so it is tangible, and you can see this. What is important is that never we should be satisfied. We should continue. We should continue and see what we don't have at the moment and how we can achieve them, and make a good plan